Turn around. Uh-oh.
Getting rocky now. So it's starting to get rocky.
I'm a rocking chair.
It's gorgeous right now, but we are supposed to have a big freeze up. So, did all of our shopping, got all of our food supply, tides up. You snuck in just to see what was going on. Nope, you are not. Nope, you may not. No, you may not. Going back outside. Mm-hmm. Woo! Hello, everybody! There's white stuff on the ground. Hey, Cleo! Hey, Cleo! Hey, baby! Hey, baby! Outside, you see snow, look! Cleo's like, I want to come in. Oh, you will come in. Aww. Look, Dumpling made a mess. She did. She jumps up and she knocks over her bowl. Every time. There you go, baby. Wow. It's not often that you see anything white around here like that. So that's cool. Usually there's not very much snow on the island at all. So this is really pretty. It is a very, very cold and blustery day. So I am inside doing crafts. And today, let's see, well, I'm making an ornament there for my friend, and I am making some American Girl doll food out of Fima dough. This is a little cherry tart. And we got some chocolate chip cookies. Petit four cake. Get some little brownies there. Some sweethearts. And I haven't figured out what these are exactly, but I think that there's some kind of jelly rolls or something. Also, a vegetable soup day. You just have to have soup on a really cold day. Ooh. Terry's got some fried oysters coming.
Your future hubby can cook.
No, there's a really nice crunch when you first bite in. The oyster inside actually melts in your mouth. Bravo, honey. Bravo. Wow, I got the perfect man. What can I say?
You can cook anything.
Ooh, let me tell you, that is an aphrodisiac, what you just fixed up. That's good. Oh my goodness. Glass of wine, salad. Amazing.
Terry made an incredible oyster sandwich. I had one as well. Absolutely delicious.
Okay, look. Show me the
Yay! It's finally snowing. Yay!
I don't like the cold, damn.
She's not digging this weather.
Well, she might. She's like, what is this white stuff? Damn it.
What's the matter with you? You don't like the snow? You don't? Brush you off.
She'll get used to it.
You'll be alright. Alright, let's play in the snow. Shit.
I think it's too much. That work.
Might be too much.
Yeah, just tighten it. That'll be good.
Huh? Yeah. We had a couple with her too.
It's beautiful. Don't put them in there.
I don't put myself in there.
Don't accidentally put them in there.
It's a good thing I know how to draw it. That ain't slippery.
what's so good about these golf carts? They're geared down. Spin a lot.
We're pulling Will. He doesn't want to be filmed today. That's all right.
Right?
This is a lot of fun, though. Simple family fun.
See if I can turn over this stuff.
Oh, that was fun. But I'm a little chilly. Definitely gonna go in and get some hot tea. I absolutely love how beautiful the trees look with the snow. However, I got a little bit of a concern about that branch right there getting too heavy. Listen, it's got that great crunch to it. Did you just hit my car? Oh, you're doing donuts and you hit my car. And he's laughing about it. Yeah, hit and run. Look at these donuts.
They're sloppy donuts.
Yeah. Did he dent my car?